Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are going to be making turkey wing sauce. Turkey wing sauce with pepper. If today is the first time of coming across my video, you are highly welcome. Please, before you exit, join the family and press the notification bell for more video. Thank you and God bless you. Do also follow us on Facebook page Beautiful Shine TV or Beautiful Shine blog. So keep watching. I've already washed the turkey wings. It's already washed. So here are the ingredients I'm using. We have black pepper, 1 Maggi cube, garlic powder, rosemary, thyme, salt, curry powder. Those are the ingredients. Now I will be adding it into it. For the moment, I'm not going to be adding any water. I'm going to cover it for at least 5 minutes and I will come back. I'm not going to be adding anything yet, as I said earlier. I'm going to leave it for 5 minutes for the water to bring out. After 5 minutes, I will come back and add water. Okay? And this time, I will turn it. You see, now I will be adding my chopped onions. At this point, I will add my water. I will leave it for at least, I will come back and turn it, but I'm going to do that off camera. And I will leave it for at least 15 minutes. Okay? So keep watching. Feel free to use any season of your choice. Okay? At this point, I will be putting my tomatoes because I need to boil the tomatoes first before using it. So I will add my tomatoes into the pot. I will be adding my blended pepper. I'm not using fresh pepper. I prefer to use this for the moment. So I will be adding this on it. And add a little water on it. I will be adding the water for the bottle tomatoes. Add it on it. I will leave the tomatoes to boil at least for 40 minutes. So feel free to do yours as it pleases you and keep watching. Please let me know what you think about this video in the comment section. Now I'll be covering it. Our tomatoes have already boiled. Now we'll be turkey wings. Sorry. Here we have our oil already in the fry pan. Now I will be adding the turkey wings inside the oil. I will be putting it in the lowest gas so that the turkey wings will not get burned. The lowest rate, okay? Wash it. This is how the turkey wings look like. We are still frying it. Now I will be removing this and put the second one. I'll be removing the second fry now. Okay, my turkey wings is ready. Now I'm going to be putting it in my pan. Here are my chicken wings. Turkey wings, I meant to say, sorry guys. Here's my chicken wing. I will be adding a little bit of onion to give her the scent I want. Here is my turkey wings. Thank you for joining me for today's video. Please don't forget to follow us on Facebook, Beautiful Shine TV Facebook page, and Beautiful Shine blog. Thank you, and see you for my next video. Please leave your comment what you think about this turkey wings sauce. See you for my next video. Bye bye.